I'm in a cave. These are, I don't know, I've only been checking the screen. It's so, okay, well now there's just a bunch of trees. The train was pretty fast. That's beautiful. What did you say?
I can't form a sentence right now.
Did you say Tavola?
No, I said there it is.
Oh.
It was like blending 3 sentences together.
This is absorbing. It's fairly cold. It's really not. It's like a... No, it's cold. Okay. So I guess this is where we go in. Yeah. Who's that? Is that St. Francis? It is St. Francis. Yeah. Yes. Oh, look at that. Well, this has water in it.
I think it could help having water in it. Is that a marble bathtub?
It looks like it.
Why don't I have one of these?
I don't know. They're very heavy.
Yeah.
That is really cool. Can we flashlight it?
It doesn't. I didn't say anything about photography.
Ah, oh, look at the ceiling.
Oh wow! Oh, that's beautiful.
That is so pretty.
Noelle, did you see this?
I was trying to see if you can go inside.
We can go up to it this way from the other side. Oh, look at your view from here. Wow.
This is beautiful.
I'm so mad the water's not on.
I know.
It's just beautiful. Imagine like walking on these floors. Oh, okay, so this is the private chapel. So this is Cardinal Ippolito's private chapel. Gee. Where? Oh, yeah, that's cool looking. It reminds me of our Thanksgiving decorations. Look, another fake door. Why are they doing that? Oh, and look, they have like columns. This is very perspective based.
So you know in the center how they have
Right.
that's what that's supposed to be from.
Oh. Ah, got it. Oh, look, another fake door. Oh, look at these floors.
Look at the marble on the floor.
I know, I just said that.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Wow. Yeah, this would be quite the place to have a party. Oh, people suck. Look. Oh no.
She's like, why?
Just look at your left two sons.
I said people suck. Because of this. I'm like, wow, I won't travel with you anymore.
It was so weird. And she was so sweet. She's like, why? I would have been like, ew.
It's what? The Hall of Hercules. Oh, okay, so this is Michael's room.
Okay, so that's like Titan and Zeus, right? Here.
That looks like Zeus. Why is he on a griffin? It's not a griffin. Why is he on an eagle?
Why is he eating up that lion?
I don't know. That guy's fighting a lion.
That's what I just said.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you.
Is this, what is that? Symbol of
Eternity.
which is there.
The golden apples. They're everywhere.
This is the origin story of the family.
Yes.
Oh.
Feminine at the end.
You know, well,
Is it real?
yeah, I'm gonna assume so.
You gotta show it to Kate.
If it bites you, I will laugh.
So pretty. Oh my God, you're so
Cute. I know.
You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Scratchy, scratchy. Yeah, that feels good.
You missed the cats a little bit. Oh, good, another fireplace. Okay, so they were semi-warm. You'd have to keep all the doors open, though. Oh, look, finally they put labels on these. Oh, God, that's beautiful.
Sorry to disturb your sleep, but
You're so pretty. It doesn't understand us. It speaks Italian.
It knows. It's the language of love.
Look how cool.
Oh, is that beautiful? Now we're talking.
Of the goddess nature.
Look how beautiful.
Wait, what are those on the wall? It looks like rock climbing. Is it supposed to be?
I bet you could rock climb. You were right, Fortune.
Wait, what?
Goddess Fortune. It said it on the wall. Oh, wow. I could so read a book out here.
Which symbolically flow into the Tiber, represented by the Rosetta fountain.
Yeah.
The 100 fountains are organized in two overlapping rows of
Oh.
anthropomorphic masks. In the upper row, the fountains are the obelisks Navicel into destiny. Originally, the fountains were intended to have an even more majestic impact. Polished marble, intact sculptures, and overpowering gushes created an impression of sumptuous and refined beauty.
But her nose didn't.
So, like, they put reinforcements into these and they shoot down the staircase right into the mouth of a frog. And I think that's beautiful. Look how crazy. You know, you almost wonder if it had all the water in it, would you be able to see the detail?
Yeah, that's how we're gonna look at it.
Thanks, it makes me feel better.
How happy the horses are. You ever seen such happy horses?
You're right, I have not either. And their teeth, the braces. It must have taken to get a smile that straight. I do want to see this one. Like, look at all of that up there. You look like you're saluting her. It's kind of cute. A what?
Is that?
An obelisk?
Yeah.
I think it's just supposed to be a mast. Oop, that sun will wake you up. Oh, Noelle and I decided that if we had these pools, we would put sharks in them.
You know what? Yeah.
Not like the full-grown great white bull shark, whatever, but like those little, not even like
I say an
from your shoulder to my hand.
I say an octopus.
Well, you have 3,
Okay.
so you can
And
put whatever you
then-
want in there.
One of them has to have koi. What?
Kraken,
Kraken. Release
alligators. We could do gators. It's a little cold, but we could do gators.
it. Clownfish.
Yes.
Millions
Honestly,
of them.
one is just going to be full of colorful coral and
Yeah.
anemones and fill it with
There's going to be light
all of
underneath
it.
It's gonna
Sea
be light.
turtles. We could do sea turtles. Guys, the ocean is awesome.
You're like, yeah.
That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't wait to show these to Grandma. Look at their poor legs. Full conversation.
Hey, you're such a dapper little guy.
Oh, man.
This is a cute street. That's so... Oh.
Did you get enough water with that one?
That's a pretty good start.
Ah.
I bet you were going to see the waterfall when we were on the train.
Yeah, I think so. So, Roman ruins. Aw, poor Nick. And waterfalls. Because this is a state park. They should call it Gregoriana State Park and not Gregoriana Villa. Because it's not one. Oh, lily pads.
Good fish.
Oh, it does have fish. Oh, I zoomed in on the fish and then it was gone. There it is. Oh, sick.
Oh, he's gonna flip.
This is so gorgeous. This is insane. Look how beautiful this is. First of all, like to live in one of these homes and just see valley and waterfall, like what?
Now I'm just thinking about reflecting on your parable.
Ooh, she has a parable.
Ooh, do you have a parable?
No.
Oh.
But, I mean, truly, we've seen just so many remarkable things. I never thought in one trip I would get to see all of this.
Mm-hmm. We've seen so many beautiful things that people have made to show God that we love Him. And now we are seeing the beautiful things that God made to show us that He loves us. Happy?
I'm just trying to, like, hold that we give him is, like, the waterfall that he gives us. Just, like, miraculous and beautiful, and my mind is blown.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Oh. I know. Isn't the little lagoon at the bottom so blue? I want to go in a cave. Look at... Oh, I can't see because my fingers are in front of the thing. I want to go in there. Guys, we could have done our picnic. It really does smell like smoke, though. This is so cool. Don't cut it. The coyote's trying to blow something up. Hold on. Hold on. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool.
I know. And you know what? Nick is really going to miss this.
I know. I want to share this with Nick and Mary.
I'm going in.
All right.
I had to say it that way.
And BB. And Morgan and John. And Father Joe.
Oh my God. The heck? What is this?
Really? Where are
This
we?
thing, didn't someone take a picture of the thing that made the voice?
Yeah, but the service is bad. I feel so alive with the sound of music. Oh. It's an Italian?
She said it was in English.
Dang it, I should have practiced more. Okay, wait. Go to where it says that.
Above which there was once an
Once
enormous Roman villa, complete
Roman
with its
villa.
own parkland.
That's probably why
Covering
they call it a
almost 2
villa.
hectares,
Is because
It used to be a
stretching from
Roman
here
villa.
This used
out
to be
towards
one.
the town.
Like,
See you. There
This
you go.
was the
Long,
villa
long
of
ago.
Manlius Vopiscus, who would come here in the summer to enjoy the coolness and tranquility of Tiber.
Oh my gosh, it ends in
has
temples.
survived into the modern day.
Okay, spoiler alert, Noelle. Oh my gosh, there's so many cobwebs down here. Hold on. I'm in a cave. This rock is crazy.
Separated by a larger waterfall that is so close, you
We could touch it. I want to see bats. Look at this rock.
It even gushes in every bedroom.
It gushes in every bedroom. That's what she said.
Rachel, edit.
So this used to be a Roman villa, and you know what? I find it better than the other one. We really saved the best for last. I'm glad we did it in this order.
Yeah, me too.
I actually knew this one wasn't going to be as...
I thought this one was going to be meh because when you look up Tivoli, it says like, oh, Villa d'Este, like everywhere. And you're like, okay, that's got to be like their thing.
Oh, wow.
This is insane. Like windows? Like, it's built into the rock. Okay, God did not build this. This was us, but God helped. That's so cool. What if I just threw my phone? To see what it looked like.
Sorry, here, Rachel.
No, you're good. I can see. This is insane! Oh, I love this! This is so cool! Oh my gosh! Hold on. This is so cool. Hold on. Hold up.
Oh, girl, I am not. I'm claustrophobic. You go.
It's okay. It all leads out to the same place. You could come through here. It's open. It's like a big space. Look, we can just see right into their backyard. Anyway, this. Ooh, careful. This is cool.
This is worthy of my hiking shoes.
I know. This is so cool. This is so cool. I want to live in here. I don't, but I do.
But look at the rock, Rachel. It's got ridges in it.
I know. Perfect for all my little knickknacks. You're just like very much so a part of the rock. And I think that rocks. Isn't it so cool? That is so neat. This is the villa. We found it. No worries, guys. You look kind of chill there. Just like... Yeah. Okay, so we finally got food. And what do we think? There's nothing open here is the problem. So we finally found a place. And it's Bar Caesar. And we met Caesar. We think. We didn't introduce ourselves. Good choice. It's very good. I'm happy. What?
It's certainly a taste.
Well, you gotta mix it. All right, everybody, cheers.
Yeah, you gotta mix it. It's literally the exact same thing that we had however many nights ago.
It's a limoncello spritz.
How is it different from the green lemon I gave you?
Give me a second.
Yeah, I'm not a really big limoncello fan.
It is really strong.
To me, I find that exact same thing you had earlier, but sweeter. I like orange color should be yummy.
Not like salt. Do you remember there was a very specific 2000s
Okay,
like
it's not
table
bad.
cleaner that had a lemon
It's
finish
not
to
bad.
it?
I like red wine.
Where's Natalie?
Natalie is at home. She's abandoned us. She's not here.
She would know exactly what I'm talking
That
about.
good, huh?
And it was like
Google it.
a unique test. That is exactly what it tastes like. It's just everything I have. Pledge.
Oh, pledge. Literally the most obvious answer is pledge. It does taste
I
lemonade.
know I'm a bug guy and I'm an alcoholic, whatever, but that's lemonade.
It's lemonade with a weird aftertaste.
Do you know what?
Noelle, what have you done? That's a lot bigger than I thought. This is a lot of
Really good.
I love every time you try something you think is good, you're like, it's really good. What do you think?
You know what, like the cinnamon challenge? That's so fun. You know the cinnamon challenge?
Hold on.
Inhale.
That's what you did. They did that, yeah.
You're eating a powder sugar donut.
Okay.
My brain
Wait a minute, I
is
thought
so
this was
far
gonna be
behind.
just
I know, you're kind of lacking.
Nicholas,
Yeah, just this.
isn't that really good?
Mm-hmm.